I stand here before you today on this stage, proud to be Māori. And in the short time that I am given to speak, I will only touch on parts of what make my culture a great one. You see, my culture, it drives my performance. And like a korowai, it is a taonga, one that must be cared for, nurtured, and shared over time, so that everyone is able to bask in its beauty. Ko tōku korowai he mana āhua ake no oku tūpuna. Ko tō korowai nōu ake. My cloak was handed down from my forebears. It is unique. It is special to me. So too is yours. A korowai, a cloak used to represent honour, belonging and strength. My korowai is cloaked within me. It defines who I am and where I come from, carrying the love, carrying the aspirations and the future of my family. It shelters my heart, my mind, my soul. It protects my well-being. My korowai holds on to aspects of values and knowledge of my culture. It is covered in feathers with blends of intricate colours and is one I myself will hold on to. The base, the starting point. Strands of muka delicately woven through and handled by the hands of my ancestors with the culture that is instilled in me. One I am proud to represent. We all carry the legacy of our tūpuna shown in everything that we say and do. When I was born, I did not automatically know of all the values, the words, customs, and beliefs of my culture. My culture is more than a performance. My culture is a legacy that has been passed down from my ancestors. In my lifetime, it is up to me to enhance my korowai with the beauty of family, tradition, and the many teachings that enable me to live a life based not on materialism, but to be grounded in what is important. What is life without a sense of belonging? What is unity without love? What is love without the people? Manaakitanga, the selfless heart that beats for its people. Whanaungatanga, the connections that tie us together. Kotahitanga, the unity needed to keep us strong and to work together as one. These are three important values for me as a young Māori female, for they have taught me to support, to include, and to be one with those around me. They are the threads within my korowai that hold it strong. In our culture, we are stronger together when we are unified. In our whānau, we feel the love. In our marae, we feel the connections. In our iwi and hapu, we feel strength and solidarity. It is important that we hold on to these values, for they are what make our culture unique. When all three threads of unity, love, and support are balanced, I too am balanced. I am safe, I am confident, and I am grounded. My culture, it is more than a performance. My culture is a lifestyle that supports, that loves, that connects. Weaving through the strands of manaakitanga, whanaungatanga, and kotahitanga are the feathers that embellish my korowai. These feathers represent knowledge and te reo Māori. For each of us, our feathers will differ. Our knowledge and understanding of the world around us will vary. Our language will evolve within the generations to come. However, it is up to us to pass on that knowledge so that it is shared and not lost. To nurture our reo for those that come after us. For that which is nurtured blossoms and grows. And as I grow, so too does the complexity and vibrancy of my korowai. My culture is more than a performance. My culture is continuous. It is evolving over time. My culture is a lifelong commitment that empowers me to walk into both worlds steadfast. A korowai, a cloak that represents honour, belonging, and strength. A cloak that defines who I am and where I come from. My culture, it is more than a performance, and like a korowai, it is a taonga. one that has been cared for, one that has been nurtured by our ancestors. For our culture to flourish, we must all be willing to thread the strands of manaakitanga, whanaungatanga, and kotahitanga into our lives. For our language to survive, we must all be willing to pass on the knowledge so that it is shared and not lost. Ko tōku korowai he mana āhua ake no oku tupuna. Ko tō korowai no ake. My cloak was handed down from my forebears. It is unique. It is special to me. So too is yours. My culture is more than a performance. I stand here before you today on this stage, and although my performance is almost over, my culture will continue. Thank you.